Starting things off with a bang, we have the strawberry feather star. Now, do not let that name fool you. This is no cuddly sea creature that you would want to see floating around at the zoo. This is a newly discovered species of feather star that looks like it arrived from another planet with the desire to feast away on humans. Much like the face suckers that you would see in the Alien movies, this thing has a ton of creepy long arms that scoop up pretty much anything it wants. There are 20 of these long arms in total, and they are all attached to a creepy bumpy head that sort of resembles a strawberry. This creepy creature was discovered over 1,000 meters below the surface, so finding another one should prove to be pretty difficult. No one even knows how many of these could be living in Antarctica or our planet as a whole, but it has seemingly opened up a whole new realm in the scary sea creature department. This mutant species was also a fairly recent discovery, so scientists and marine biologists are still trying to find out more information about the strawberry feather star. While humans have known about this fish for some time now, it is still incredibly difficult to obtain any footage of it due to the fact it lives in the deepest parts of the sea that humans have trouble accessing. Much like other deep sea fish, the anglerfish is able to survive in the deepest parts of the ocean due to the fact that it can emit its own light source, but it does it in a much more unconventional way. The anglerfish actually has a small tentacle-like appendage that hangs off of its head just in front of its almost comically large gaping mouth. This means that it can only really track down prey that is right in front of it, but it can do so quite successfully. The large gaping mouth of the anglerfish, along with its razor-sharp teeth, are incredibly difficult for its enemies to escape, as the famed deep-sea fish hunts them down and prepares to feast away on them. Hopefully, future deep-sea missions can obtain more information on this remarkable fish very soon. So humans have known about snailfish for a long time now, but a brand new type was just recently discovered in the waters of Antarctica. Scientist Andrew Stewart discovered this slimy fish during the filming of a new documentary that followed a team of researchers on their journey through the frozen continent. The main purpose of the documentary and the excursion was to uncover new mysteries about Antarctica, and it appears that Stewart and his team succeeded with this strange new snailfish. While it is relatively small and can fit in the palm of your hand, the new snailfish has giant googly eyes and looks to be partially transparent. It also has a pretty creepy looking face that almost looks like it has some human-like characteristics when viewed at certain angles. There are a ton of unanswered questions surrounding the snailfish because they can only survive in cold temperatures and can live up to 700 meters below the surface, which is considerably deeper than any other fish. If you have arachnophobia, then the frigid temperatures may not be the only thing that will keep you from taking a swim in the chilly Arctic Ocean. The waters of Antarctica are filled with these creepy 8-legged arachnids that are truly the stuff of nightmares. And while sea spiders aren't exclusive to Antarctica, the ones that live in the frozen continent are much larger than anything you will find living in warmer climates. Antarctica sea spiders are also incredibly different from any other arachnid species because the males are the ones who actually carry their unborn babies. Well, that is already strange enough on its own. The creepiest thing about the whole birth process of Antarctica spiders is that the babies crawl out of their dad's legs once they are ready to enter the world. So between its creepy appearance and its downright terrifying birth process that sounds like something out of a horror film, the Antarctica sea spiders are truly some of the most unbelievable creatures on Earth. Next on our list is the Magnapinna big fin squid. So the strawberry feather star has a ton of long arms, but even it cannot compete with this wild looking squid. If you're zoomed in on a Magnapinna, it would be fair to assume that you were just looking at a regular old squid. However, if you zoom the camera out to the widest angle possible, you will discover that this squid is sporting some unbelievably long ligaments. It features 8 arms and 2 tentacles in total that help push it through the water, and these insanely long appendages can measure up to 6 meters in length. But the most frightening part about this alien-looking creature is that it is not afraid to get its arms dirty. A shocking video of a Magnapinna actually managed to capture the exact moment that the creature lost its cool and whipped its arms in the direction of the camera. The alien-like arms can move remarkably quick to ensure that the creature has every chance to escape its potential enemy. Now, it should be noted that there have only been about a dozen recorded sightings of the Magnapinna in history, meaning this is one of the rarest and wildest creatures to ever be discovered on Earth.